Hey guys, it's Kristin. So I just want to make a video really quick about something that, to be honest, I never talk about on YouTube, and I don't think I ever have. I suffer from some anxiety attacks here and there. Mainly, I am an overly stressed person and I have high blood pressure, and those two things go together because I have high blood pressure because I'm stressed out all the time. I'm just a worrywart, I think. And the reason why I decided to make this video today was because over the last, I want to say like 4 days or so, I have been literally waking up super early. I mean, early for me is like 6:30, sometimes 6, a couple days it was 6. Literally having, like, feeling anxious. Like, my heart would be racing. I felt like something was about to happen. Like, I felt almost sick to my stomach. You know, I'm having no issue falling asleep. I'm having no issue sleeping. But I'm just waking up super early and then feeling like I'm having an anxiety attack for no reason. And there's really nothing, and things are actually going really well. So I didn't understand what the heck was going on. This morning, like when it happened, I got up and I started kind of going through Twitter and doing, you know, like checking Instagram and all the things. And there was this guy, Joey Kidney, who I just started following. He has a YouTube channel, so you guys can check him out. But his post was about him having anxiety, and he was like showing all of his anxiety attacks for like a week or something like that. And I was like, oh, this is so weird. Like, I'm having one and now I'm reading this. So I just thought, you know, I'll just share my story. I am pretty positive that the reason why I'm all of a sudden out of nowhere having these anxiety attacks is due to me stop drinking coffee. I made a video a while back. I'll link that in the video description. I like to cut things cold turkey. So if I decide like I'm not going to drink coffee, or if I decide I'm not going to have like junk food or fast food or whatever, I just cut it cold turkey. And when I did the coffee thing forever ago, I went through severe caffeine withdrawals. Like, I mean, raging headaches. My mood was all like crazy. But I never had like anything with anxiety, panic attacks, like any of that stuff. So when this started happening, well, let me back up. Over Christmas and into New Year's, the kids had like 3.5 weeks off, and I had a lot of days off. And because of that, I fell back into the routine of having coffee every day, like at least 1 cup, sometimes 2. So then when I finally got back into my normal routine, I was like, okay, I gotta go back to not drinking coffee. And I cut it again cold turkey. I noticed like almost immediately the headaches were coming back, which I was totally fine with. But I didn't really put 2 and 2 together with the panic attacks. They've been happening every day. And I was like, what is freaking going on? Like, I'm not stressed about anything. I don't feel worried about anything. There's no major things going on in my life. So I started like doing a lot of research, and I found out that that is actually a symptom of caffeine withdrawals, is you can actually have panic attacks. Now, it is more common in people who are already like anxious people or like do suffer from anxiety, but it says it's specifically in like 10 different websites, whatever. And these aren't just like bloggers or whatever. Like, I'm trying to look at actual like medical websites or something that's like legit. And they all say the same thing. Like, they say that waking up early in the morning, or as soon as you wake up, you feel anxious. That's actually a symptom of caffeine withdrawals, which is so scary. I said this in the last video that I did about caffeine withdrawals. I hate that it has that kind of control over my body. Like, hate it. One of the websites, I'm just going to read this. It said, symptoms can be irritability, depression, and anxiety after skipping as little as 1 cup of coffee a day. Which, that's how much. I really only have 1 cup, maybe 2 when I'm drinking coffee. It says that caffeine blocks receptors in the brain that can dilate blood vessels, causing headaches. So there's the other symptom. Just wanted to put it out there that it could be something else. If you're having anxiety, just look at all the factors of all the things going on in your life, and don't just assume that it's like depression or that you're stressed or whatever. Because I did not even put 2 and 2 together. But now that I've done all this research and realizing that the days line up, I stopped cold turkey on Tuesday, started immediately the next day getting headaches, and that same day was the day that I woke up having an anxiety attack. Now, I don't know how long this is going to go on for. I'm really hoping it's going to stop soon because it's, you know, we're going on 4 or 5 days, whatever, and I'm still every single day waking up with an anxiety attack. And I don't want, no, not an anxiety attack. That's not really accurate. It's more, I just wake up and feel super anxious. Like, I just feel like something's going to happen. I feel really nervous. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing, this is obviously, I'm not talking too much about like the anxiety part specifically, but if you wanted to watch Joey's video, I will put his video in the description below as well. His is kind of cool because he talks about like what exactly he's going through, and he does a whole week or something like that. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, and you gotta hit that bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. I'll talk to you later. Peace.